Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Yamaha Explorer DPV. So this is a fun little diver propulsion vehicle. It's made more specifically for kids, but of course you can as an adult use it. This will last about 60 minutes whilst in the water. It's waterproof down to 10 meters, so it's really designed more for snorkelers or for really shallow scuba diving. So nice compact shape. You've got a lead battery inside of here. You've got two spring-loaded triggers, and the way they work is that the motor only turns when both of them are pulled at the same time. There's also a little safety switch on this side, so a little lock. That way when it's locked, you can't pull that trigger. So when it's in storage or when you don't want it to activate, you can't accidentally press that. Flick that little toggle down and then you can go. But if you only hold down one trigger, it's not going to do anything. Hold down the second one and it'll start. So it has a protective mesh on the front and the back, so that's going to protect it from any kind of seaweed or any kind of contaminant or little fingers from getting in there. If it does get anything kind of tangled up in it, you can access it from the back. You can remove this grill, obviously disconnect the battery first, just to be sure. On the top, we've got a little GoPro Style Mount. So most action style cameras come with this type of mount. So you can mount it onto there and get a first person shot of your underwater adventures. Great little bit of fun, just to sort of buzz you through the water, but only down to a max depth of about 10 meters. This is the Yamaha Explorer DPV. Thanks for watching and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.